everyone, yummy. Here I come again with another very yummy vitamin C drink. You should nourish your system with, most especially during this period, to boost your immunity plus clear and ageless beautiful skin, because vitamin C is responsible for that beautiful ageless skin. And voila! So, in order to make a yummy vitamin C immunity boost plus clear, beautiful ageless skin drink, the first ingredient I'll be using would be lemon. So, it is kind of a lemonade. So, I'll be using 4 lemons. You need a lot of these to boost your immunity. Lemons are one of the richest sources of vitamin C you need, most especially now, to boost your immunity. So whatever situation we are facing now, whatever, your immunity is so strong to face whatever situation. So this is very good for your immunity. Plus it helps to protect your skin cells from damaging, because vitamin C is a form of antioxidant, to freshen up your skin and give you that beautiful ageless freshness to your skin. Like, this is so good, plus it is so yummy and healthy as well. So you stay away from all those kinds of sugary drinks and go for healthy drinks like this. Plus it will help you boost your metabolism, so you can easily metabolize, break down fats and stay in shape. Very important. So these are my 4 lemons. I would like squeeze out the juice from the 4 lemons as you see me doing here. You can do it manually, but this is easier. So you need to get these tools so it makes your healthy lifestyle easy for you. Because if you're squeezing them manually, you might not really get out all the juice. So if you want to live healthy, get these tools. Very important, please. So yeah, so that is my fiber. I will use it for my smoothie. I'm not throwing the fiber. So what I want to do is, this is a lot of lemon and you don't want it so acidic. You want it a little bit calm down and a little bit tasty. So I will add in some honey. Usually the normal lemonades they sell at the store, they use sugar or syrups which are not healthy. So you want to use like 1 tablespoon of honey. This is good real honey I'm using here, which is healthy, to make it a little bit like not too acidic in the mouth, like it, so it can taste like good. So this is how lemonade is made, but my difference is I use honey which is healthy, and honey is equally good for your immunity as well. So that is it, and I'll move to the next ingredients before I combine everything. So this is a vitamin C drink or juice. So we are loading up on vitamin C here. So I'll be using 3 oranges to get the juice out of these oranges as well. Oranges are highly rich in vitamin C as well. We want that concentrated vitamin C juice here or drink to nourish our system, boost immunity, plus clear skin. Oranges are vitamin C, which is antioxidant, to fight the effects of free radical damage causing dull skin, premature aging, for you to have that beautiful agelessness to your skin, plus good health, strong immunity, so you can always stay healthy, looking vibrant and youthful. So yeah, so these are my oranges. You just get your you can squeeze out the orange manually or you use this. So this is so handy. Get yourself this juice extractor to get your juice out of your fruits. So yeah, same thing, I will not throw the fiber from my oranges. Fiber is very good as it keeps you so full, but with less calories. So you can add this in your smoothie. You can just add this in a papaya, blend and have it as your breakfast smoothie. I have recipes I've used my fiber to make. So if you want, I can show you, but you just need to add that in any other fruit like papaya and banana and have it for breakfast. The next ingredient I'll be using would be mango. So if you don't have mango, you can use papaya or you can use pineapple. They are all 3 very rich sources of vitamin C. So we want to come up with kind of a rich vitamin C juice here, and I'm using mango or papaya because they contain vitamin E, and vitamin E helps to boost collagen production for that ageless youthfulness to your skin. So that is why you see me, I love using mangoes or papayas because of the vitamin C in them. So as I mentioned earlier, you can replace with papaya, pineapple, or you use mango. So I'll be using 2 mangoes here, If you are using papaya, you can use half a papaya. If you are using pineapple, you use half a pineapple, and you still get everything like so needed, like so rich and concentrated. So yeah, this is it. You just need to rinse, and this is it now. So I sliced and I've rinsed the mangoes again. If you notice, I love hygiene because this period you don't want to take chances and put germs in your system. So yeah, so what I want to do is I want to crush this mango first. When you crush the mango, like blend it, it becomes so like not, it will be so easy for you to get your juice out of this. Like, just watch what I do, because when you add in water immediately, you don't really get it so smooth. So I start by crushing, kind of blending just the mango first, then I add in my water. Now that way I end up with a very smooth paste or juice. So I'll be adding 4 cups of water. So at the end of this, I'll have like 4 cups of this juice. But because I have water from my fruits and the mango and the rest, so I just have to add 4 cups of water here. So just watch what I do. So this is it blended. Now I'll add in my orange juice, so it really gets concentrated. Like, this is when you want to add the other juices, so your drink can be concentrated. After you must have blended your mango with water, that is when you add these juices, so your drink is really concentrated. So I'm just blending now to mix everything together, whereas you could still use your spoon to just mix everything together. So blending makes it easier and faster. So yeah, this is it on the rocks. I'm just pouring on some of my ice blocks. So it is really chilling in the mouth. Like, when you consume this chilled, it tastes differently. So it's so heavenly. Like, you want to try this and tell me, and thank Riza for sharing this yummy immunity boost and like beautiful recipe with you. So this is it. Share with your family and friends. You can have it with your kids, your husband, your boyfriend, whoever. Share with your friends so we can all boost our immunity, freshen our skin from the inside to have that beautiful, ageless, fresher looking skin. What you need, the secret to beautiful skin is nourishing from the inside. When you put in vitamin C, most especially vitamin E, all those nutrients you need for that beautiful skin, it reflects outwardly, trust me. So yeah, that is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope someone finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay beautiful and healthy with good immunity and good health. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye, et bonne journée.